Okay, got the surface cleaned up around the housing. I'm going to put some of this good sealer on there. It's actually pretty good. And put a small bead around it, put a small bead on the third member. That should be enough to keep it from leaking. There we go. This thing weighs a ton. There we go. It's in. How's that? And put a couple nuts on it and we'll be okay. After they're impacted, and I mean that's not really torquey, that wrench, just go ahead and snug them up just a little bit. Members in place. Got the axles out. I'm gonna put the axles back in. Gaskets seem okay. Fill it up with gear lube, gear oil, and hope it doesn't leak.